Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to look at a 2019 250 Sea Ray Sun Deck. Let's take a quick look. Coming around, you can see the nice gel coat. We got full sea deck on the back. Bravo 3 outdrive. Coming up on the boat, we have a nice big sun pad. We have a flip up backrest. That flips up port and starboard. Fusion stereo system. It's got a rear stereo control. Two tables come with this boat. One forward, one aft. This is a very interesting boat. It's got a 9-inch Simrad. Comes with vessel view, fusion stereo, full gauges. This is digital throttle as well. This boat features a head compartment that is very large. Lots of storage. The head is under that cushion. We have a center ski locker. This boat also has shore power. Here's your shore power hook up here. Battery chargers. This boat comes equipped with a 6.2 liter 300 horsepower engine. Additional storage to port. Dual batteries. Flip up seat here also. So these seats face forward and aft. Built-in cooler up here, LED lighting, lots of cup holders. Lots of storage here as well. Anchor locker up front. Front boarding ladder on this boat as well. And that is the 250 Sun Deck by Sea Ray. If this is the boat you would like to see more of, give us a call here at Lake Wylie Marina, MarineMax, 803-831-2101. Thanks for watching.